Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for FreshBooks affiliate program, detailed guide step-by-step. Click to register for the FreshBooks affiliate program. Start by visiting the FreshBooks website. Scroll down to the footer section of the home page. Locate the affiliate program link, usually found under the company or resources menu. Click on the affiliate program link to be directed to the affiliate information page. Review the details provided about the program, including benefits and commission rates. Look for a Join Now or Sign Up button on the affiliate information page. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and website details. Ensure that your website aligns with FreshBooks content guidelines. Create a secure password for your affiliate account. Review the terms and conditions presented on the registration page. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions if you accept them. Submit your registration form. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Open the confirmation email and follow the instructions provided to verify your email address. Once verified, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Explore the dashboard to find promotional materials and unique affiliate links. Use these links to promote FreshBooks and start earning commissions. Keep track of your performance and commissions through the affiliate dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.